Hey everyone, Linus here. Today we're diving into the world of cloud computing. Now I know what you're thinking. Clouds? The fluffy things in the sky? Nope, not those clouds. Cloud computing is all about accessing computing resources like storage, servers, and software over the internet. Think of it like renting a supercomputer instead of building one yourself. You only pay for what you use and someone else handles all the maintenance. Pretty sweet deal, right? Cloud computing has revolutionized how we use technology, making it more accessible and affordable for everyone, from individual users to giant corporations. First up, let's talk about software as a service, or SaaS for short. SaaS is a revolutionary way to deliver software applications over the internet. Instead of purchasing and installing software on your computer, you simply access it online. SaaS is like streaming your favorite shows on Netflix, but instead of movies, you're accessing software applications. Imagine having all the tools you need right at your fingertips without the need for physical media or downloads. With SaaS, you don't need to install or manage any software locally. This means no more worrying about running out of storage space or dealing with complex installations. Everything runs in the cloud, and you access it through your web browser. This makes it incredibly easy to use and ensures that you always have the latest version of the software. Think Gmail, Google Docs, or even Spotify. These are all examples of SaaS applications that you probably use every day without even realizing it. You just log in and you're good to go. No need to worry about updates or compatibility issues because everything is handled by the service provider. SaaS is super convenient because it eliminates the hassle of software updates, installations, and compatibility issues. The service provider takes care of all the technical details so you can focus on what really matters. Plus, you can access your apps from anywhere with an internet connection. Whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go, your software is always available and ready to use. Next, we have Platform as a Service, or PaaS. PaaS is like a pre-built Lego set for developers. It provides all the tools and resources they need to build, test, and deploy applications without worrying about the underlying infrastructure. Imagine you're building a website. With PaaS, you don't need to set up servers, databases, or operating systems. It's all taken care of for you. You just focus on writing your code and creating awesome applications. PaaS is a huge time saver for developers, allowing them to focus on innovation and speed up the development process. Section 4 Infrastructure as a Service, or IaaS, is like having a giant bin of Lego bricks and the freedom to build whatever you want. IaaS gives you complete control over your computing infrastructure. You can choose your operating systems, databases, storage, and networking components. It's like having your own virtual data center in the cloud. IaaS offers maximum flexibility and customization. It's perfect for businesses with specific IT requirements or those looking to migrate their existing infrastructure to the cloud. Section 5. Now, where are all these clouds located? When we talk about the cloud, we're not just referring to some abstract concept floating in the sky. These clouds are very much grounded in physical locations, housed in data centers spread across the globe. Well, there are different types of cloud deployments: public, private, hybrid, and community. Each type of cloud deployment serves different needs and offers unique benefits. Public clouds are like public parks. They're open to everyone. Anyone can access them, and they are managed by third-party providers who take care of the infrastructure and maintenance. These clouds are owned and operated by third-party providers like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud. These companies have massive data centers located in various parts of the world, ensuring that their services are always available and reliable. They're cost-effective and easy to use. Small businesses, startups, and even large enterprises can benefit from the scalability and flexibility that public clouds offer. Private clouds are like having your own private island. They're dedicated solely to your organization. This means you have complete control over the environment, and you can customize it to meet your specific needs. They offer enhanced security and control but can be more expensive to set up. However, for organizations that handle sensitive data or have strict compliance requirements, the investment in a private cloud can be well worth it. Hybrid clouds are a mix of public and private clouds, offering the best of both worlds. They allow organizations to keep sensitive data in a private cloud while leveraging the power and scalability of public clouds for less critical operations. It's like having a bridge connecting your island to the mainland. This setup provides a seamless integration between different environments, making it easier to manage workloads and optimize resources. This approach provides flexibility and cost optimization. Organizations can dynamically allocate resources based on their current needs, ensuring they only pay for what they use. Community clouds are like sharing a neighborhood park with a few trusted friends. They are designed for organizations with similar requirements and goals, allowing them to collaborate and share resources efficiently. They're shared by organizations with similar requirements, such as government agencies or research institutions. This model fosters collaboration and can lead to cost savings and improved resource utilization. Section 6. Cloud computing comes with some awesome perks like resource pooling, rapid elasticity, and on-demand self-service. These features are what make cloud computing so powerful and flexible for businesses and individuals alike. Resource pooling is like having a giant potluck where everyone shares the food. Instead of each user having their own dedicated resources, cloud providers pool resources from multiple servers and distribute them as needed. This ensures that resources are used efficiently and can be allocated to where they are needed most at any given time. Rapid elasticity is like having a magical oven that instantly adjusts its size based on how much you're baking. Cloud computing allows you to scale your resources up or down on demand, ensuring optimal performance and cost efficiency. This means you can handle sudden spikes in traffic or workload without any hassle. On-demand self-service is like having a 24/7 self-serve kiosk. You can access and manage your cloud resources anytime, anywhere, without needing to contact your IT department. This level of convenience and control is unprecedented, allowing users to deploy, manage, and monitor their resources with just a few clicks. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, these features of cloud computing can significantly enhance your operational efficiency and flexibility. Section 7. So there you have it, a crash course in cloud computing. Understanding these concepts is essential in today's tech-driven world. Whether you're a business owner, a developer, or just a curious individual, knowing your SaaS from your IaaS and your public clouds from your private clouds will undoubtedly give you a leg up in the digital age. So go forth, embrace the power of the cloud, and unlock a world of endless possibilities.